I'm visit from Brazil.
I'm from Spain.
That's the first time.
My first time here.
I love the big one, 80-tonner. Two things, the technology and the factory layout. Very smart.
The biggest ones, the machines, the most biggest ones.
I like the consumption. It's really low, it's very good.
Efficiency.
Today it's the workers.
The electric ones.
I think the consumption is very low and that's pretty good.
The electric one because it's innovate for us.
I think it's hybrid,
More range, yes.
trustful, technology, reliable.
Efficiency, reliability, and magnificent.